In today's complex cloud native world, we are drowning in data. Logs, metrics, traces. They all tell a piece of the story. But what if the way we are collecting this data is actually making it harder to see the full picture? That's the problem we are going to solve today. Let's look at how most organizations handle observability today. It's what we call the siloed approach. You have got your logs in one tool, your metrics in another, and traces somewhere else entirely. And it doesn't stop there. Teams today also rely on digital experience monitoring to understand real user behavior and continuous profiling to track performance down to the functional level. Each of these telemetry types, logs, metrics, traces, DEM, profiling, is collected and analyzed in isolation, often using completely different tools and backends. And while all this data is technically connected to the same application stack, there's no single place to view it together, correlate issues, or act on it in real time. Each of these tools is powerful, but they don't talk to each other. When an issue arises, your engineers have to jump between different interfaces, use different query languages, and manually correlate data. This is slow, inefficient, and drives up your mean time to resolution, what we call MTTR. Now, what if we could break down these silos? What if we could have one central piece for all your observability data? That's the power of observability data lake. In this model, all your telemetry data, logs, metrics, and traces flows into a single unified repository. This isn't just about storage, it's about creating a pre integrated source of truth that's ready to use from day one. You don't need to stitch together data streams or bounce between tools. Everything is correlated for you by design. That means you can monitor and analyze your data in one place without querying separate pipelines or comparing mismatched results just to detect where the performance bottlenecks are, whether they are in your infrastructure, your code, or your microservices. With a unified data lake, you have one query language, one interface, and one platform for alerting. So, how does this work now? An observability data lake, like the one we have built at CloudFuse, is purpose built to handle high cardinality, high volume telemetry data at scale. It's designed for the complexity of modern microservices environment where traditional backends often struggle. You can ingest data from any source using open standards like OpenTelemetry, so you are never logged into a single vendor. What's more, you can even use your existing agents from tools like Datadog, New Relic, or Sumo Logic. There's no need to re-instrument your code. Just plug them and we'll automatically normalize and unify these formats into a single schema so you can start monitoring on day one and every day after that. This unified approach doesn't just lower your MTTR, it dramatically reduces your total cost of ownership. You're no longer paying for multiple vendor licenses and you can leverage low cost cloud storage instead of expensive proprietary solutions. Plus, with all your data in one place, you can now apply AI and machine learning not just to detect or predict issues, but to uncover patterns you might not otherwise see. We have integrated a number of advanced ML based anomaly detection and forecasting models out of the box, giving you deep insights without a setup overhead. So, the next time you're thinking about your observability strategy, ask yourself, are you working with silos or are you building a lake? A unified data lake is the future of observability. It turns the data you monitor from a cost center into a resource for proactive debugging and system optimization. If you want to learn more about how we built our observability data lake at CloudFuse, check out our blog post linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.